Alltrails app review, everything you need to know. So Alltrails is a popular mobile app for hiking, trail running, and outdoor exploration. It offers detailed maps, trail reviews, and a vibrant user community, making it a go-to app for outdoor enthusiasts. So Alltrails is free, and part of it, of course, since there is a subscription, but there is a free version that gives access to a wide range of trails, reviews, and basic map features. So access to over 200,000 trail maps worldwide, user-generated trail reviews and photos, GPS tracking of your hikes and outdoor activities, and basic filters for trail difficulty, length, and rating. There are some advanced filters you can use via the subscription and basic filters for trail difficulty, length, and rating. GPS tracking of your hikes and outdoor activities. But other than that, there is the All Trails Pro as well, where you can use for free for now. Um, you will be charged eventually, but if you want to test it out, then that's alright, since it is a 7-day free trial. So the subscription version will unlock advanced features for serious hikers and adventurers. So the offline maps for areas with poor reception, you can print maps and GPX downloads for custom navigation, real-time alerts for trail conditions or closures, map layers including satellite, topo, and terrain views. And finally, the community and social features. So the Alltrails does encourage a social experience where users can share trail photos, reviews, and tips. So an active community with user reviews and recommendations, the ability to track friends' hikes and share your own, with trail ratings that can help plan safe and enjoyable trips. So Alltrails is one of the best apps for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts, offering both free and premium tools to explore trails safely and efficiently. Beginners can benefit from the free version, while serious hikers or frequent adventurers will find Alltrails Pro worth the subscription for offline maps and advanced navigation tools. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.